Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the keyboard issue in Asus laptop. So let's get started. First, do a hard restart, shut down your laptop, unplug the charger and then hold the power button for 30 to 45 seconds. Then turn it back and check the keyboard is working or not. If, this, if that doesn't work, go to the settings and click on the accessibility option. Now from here you have to click on the keyboard option. Once you are in, make sure the sticky keys and filter keys are turned off. Then check your keyboard if it's working or not. If it still doesn't work, just open your device manager and look for the keyboard button. Once you get it from the drop down menu, give it a right click and click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically. If that fails, uninstall each keyboard devices. Restart your laptop and Windows will reinstall them automatically. And that's it, your SS keyboard should be back in action. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.